Hey guys, Kenneth Battle here. Look what just came in the mail. $20 cash in the mail. You can receive unlimited $20 cash payments in the mail through this program, Club Cash Fund. Here's my link. EasyPaydays.com. EazyPaydays. EasyPaydays.com. 2 payments, $40 in the box, in the mailbox. How about that? Very simple program, easy to do. Click the link in the description below. Subscribe. Anyone who joins my team will be added to my traffic rotator. That will help you start earning payments quickly. This is a great program. The company mails out all kits on our behalf. So all you have to do is just share a website and start bringing in payments. The company pays every Wednesday like clockwork. There's the website. EasyPaydays.com. Guys, have a great day. Stay blessed. Dream bigger. Live better. Take care.